Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, our topic is the notes management, the details and breakdown and drill down effects uh, that how we can develop uh, double click events like if you click some event so that some figure in the payment and we want to see the breakup of further details of that payment. So for this, you can use a list box as we have it on this. So the similar list box, but that would be watching your information here. As soon as you double click on it, it is going to open the information for you and that will be listed. So let me show you the existing purchase order number 14 in which we have made some test data in here and the file has been stored and as you can see the file names file numbers have been displayed in here. Now the shipment fee is related to the shipment of these goods which were developed, which were delivered, okay, and the group and the stock was updated, right? So who was the driver and other detail related to the shipment uh, can be accessed. So this is the code for 1 00001, right? So this is the file which is in the notes folder that is going to show in this area to with the detail of these further details, right? Okay, so if you double click here, so it is going to show you the driver name and the vehicle number and information related to this purchase order that this shipment was done and and further remarks and this or if there is a breakup of the shipment fee if it contains the insurance of the goods and these can be listed in it and can be shown at the similarly for the text you can also so as soon as we click on it this highlighting of this text box shows you that what you are expecting here to see is this, right? Among these three, this is now being queried, or this is being browsed for you, okay? So the $50 is the details are that the tax invoice number was this and date, this and purchase order date, and any remarks, etc. Right? Okay, so this is done. Now the others there. So other when you double click it, it is not doing anything. So we will do in this session. We will show you how we can quickly convert the work which we have. It will be the same thing. Copy. We will just copy paste all these things and implement it on this tutorial box. Then it will start working with least work required and at your end by at the end of the means on the part of the developer. So the developer can easily copy this tax code that is showing this. Okay, so that code can be utilized in the double click of this so that all these things start working and with the minimal efforts required for it. So let's go and see that how do we do this. Let's close it and we go to the developer tab and we go to this. So this is our right. So we need to see what is to be done in here. So first of all, let's go here, which is working well. Well, let's text. Text is more near to this, or can use even either of it. Okay. So let's use this one. Okay, double click. So this is a double click event for text. So we will copy all these things, the whole before the end sub, right? Control C and here we are going to paste it. So for pasting it, we have to go back to the here and we will double click in here, right? This is a wrong, we will change it. The other, it is double click. So this is the right one. Okay, so we remove this unwanted additions of different, we can remove them, right? Okay, so this is the one which we are uh, writing the code. So we paste what we have copied temporarily, and now we make the changes, appropriate changes in it. Now it is no longer a text, it is other. Okay, so let's other replace text with other. If other, if it is blank, then nothing to do. Okay, right. And this is the other node. So other node is going to be 27. This is the shading of the code that shades the code. Okay, so we make it 33. Okay, the one we do not want, it is 33. What we want to shade, that is on 6 to 7. So how did we know that what is this? So we put a breakpoint. When it runs, it tells you that what is the code. So this is the way of doing it. Okay, there can be different way of approaches to do this anyway. So I put a breakpoint here, and I will show you that how we arrived this strange number we arrived at, and we used it. How we did it. So I will show you. Okay. The next is the first thing we have done this, then this is pending. I will explain you. The next is what is the other? Yes, this is the one. So that not the text note, it is actually made of it's not a text note, rather it is other note. Hmm. So, yeah, other note. So if other note, so we have to uh, put a breakpoint here because we will have to see that how many uh, characters we have to jump from this. Okay, other note text. As you can see, uh, The other note is actually this is a text caption, and it is adding the note of the number, the file name on which is going to be displayed. Okay, we put a breakpoint here so that we can explain it to you easily once it is, and the rest is fine. It is done. Okay, so let's get back quickly to the worksheet, Alt F11. Yeah, and let's go back to the purchase order 14, which we are analyzing. Yeah, 14. Yeah. So before we go to the purchase, we go to the purchase order header. In here, we have to write the file number. Yeah, we have written the right file number is other remark, that is 3003 and 4. Okay, so let's go to the notes folder now, in which has been created. So the system automatically creates this notes folder. Okay, and this file will also be automatically created, but for the moment we will use it, this technique that we provide this file, because if we don't give it, it will try to search for the file name which we have mentioned in the database, and if it will not find, then it will give you file not found error, and that's it. Okay, so this is a file which we use to explain that how these $100, these are the 100 amount. So okay, so we will say that, for example, $75, and here we can change it is receipt number or CPT number. Okay, you can just use a certain breakup of 75. This is actually you are writing some sort of breakup, that's it, and you can so this makes the detail, oh sorry, 25. Let me this is 25. Okay, so this makes 100. Well, you can say this, you can write total 100, like this. Okay, okay, you have written all this. Now let's save it and close it. Okay, we close this file, and now let's run the program, because we have and we have already, remember, we have put a breakpoint, so it will stop before attempting to open the file which we have set. Okay, so we are going to order number 14, purchase order number 14, right? Okay, so this is purchase number order number 14, and this is the payment type, and it displays you all what you have already mentioned. Okay, the shipment has the driver tab and vehicle number, etc. And the text have, you double click here. So this is the text. Now this is our new enhancement in it, that let's see. So we have put a breakpoint as soon as we double click it. So it is now trying to set up a file which is going to be opened and brought the information. So first of all, let's see what is the note. Note is other note. So how many characters does it have before the file name? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So from 11th position, if we use 11th position, so do we get the right file name or not? So no, it still have a space here. So let's make it 12th position. So from 12th position is the right file name. So that is going to be created. So this is first time that we are running, that's why we are. Otherwise, it will, once it is set, it will start working correctly. Okay. So this is the file 3001. This is going to be open and this is going to be shown to you as a window within the so let's press F5 here. So this is the thing. So you are able to now give the drill down the how these $100 are made. 75 of this receipt number and 25 on this number, blah blah blah, whatever is there. So this is the breakup of sale. So leaving the database intact and not burdening the database with the details so these you can keep a certain part of information which is feasible for you to keep in them outside away from the database, and you can use the links like this. So by double clicking, you are actually linking to the text file or other offline files, and your system is showing the data right from those files into your system, right? So this is with just a click of button. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much and see you in our upcoming videos.